Welcome to 49 Windsor Drive, a gorgeous 4+2 bedroom home with 4 washrooms, nestled on a premium-sized pie-shaped lot within the prestigious and highly sought-after Pickering Village neighbourhood of Central West Ajax. Featuring a double-car garage with 2 openers and remotes, an interlocking front terrace lined with shrubs, evergreens, and a mulberry tree enhancing its curb appeal, as well as a massive, professionally maintained backyard with entertaining areas, garden beds, and mature trees that include an apple, a pear, and a cranberry tree. Double doors accented with scrolled wrought iron inserts offer a befitting entrance into this well-maintained home that showcases beautifully updated main and upper-level living and personal spaces. The ceramic flooring of the bright foyer is continued through the hallway and into the kitchen area, while updated hardwood flooring finishes the formal living and dining rooms. Fully open to each other, these entertaining spaces are filled with light through a north-facing window, as well as a west-facing bay window that also provides front garden views. The living room having the added brightness of pot lighting, while a chandelier brings an aura of elegance to the dining room, which has direct access from the kitchen for entertaining convenience. The main hall features crown moldings and has a mirrored door coat closet. The powder room has been beautifully appointed with upgraded tiles finishing its floor and wall border, as well as a furniture-style vanity with stone counter. And enjoying east-facing exposures and backyard views are the family room, the kitchen, and its breakfast area, which is finished with crown moldings. An exceptional working space, the kitchen showcases an upgraded light fixture, richly hued shaker-style cabinetry with lots of storage, stone counters and a subway tiled backsplash, a stainless steel double sink and appliances including a gas range, range hood, microwave, dishwasher, and a French door fridge. The peninsula easily doubles as a servery counter, whether entertaining in the dining room or the breakfast area. And outdoor entertaining is a breeze, with a walkout that opens onto the backyard's new tiered wood deck, which stretches across the width of the home and has its upper tiers surrounded by perennial plantings. The backyard is lush with trees and shrubs, has a separate patio area with a pergola, as well as lots of extra space for play or for gardening. And this outstanding outdoor retreat also has a natural gas hookup for year-round barbecuing convenience. A wall cutout, an oversized entrance, and large windows gives the family room an airy, open feel, with this recently remodeled entertaining space showcasing laminate flooring, pot lighting, and a media wall with a stacked stone facade surrounding a 50-inch LCD Sony TV, Bluetooth soundbar, and a fireplace. The home is hardwired for a security camera system, and the hallway pot lights are motion activated, as is the one in the laundry room, which has access to the garage and includes a stacked front-load washer and dryer. Carrying to the upper level is a staircase with the classic finish of stained hardwood treads and railing with painted white risers and spindles, with this level showcasing hardwood flooring and upgraded light fixtures throughout, 4 spacious and naturally bright bedrooms, as well as 2 updated washrooms. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms have double-sized closets with single doors, the third and fourth bedrooms enjoying west-facing exposures, the second bedroom having a northern exposure, and these bedrooms share amongst them the main 4-piece washroom, which features a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, a vanity updated with a stone counter, and a linen closet. Opaque paneled French doors offer an elegant entry into the beautiful and incredibly spacious master suite. showcasing updated hardwood flooring, California shutters on the windows of its turret wall, ample space for a sitting area, accent pot lighting, as well as 2 double closets with mirrored doors and organizers. Completing this lovely personal retreat is its newly remodeled ensuite washroom. Having a modern sliding barn door entry, this spa-like space showcases crown moldings, a shower area with glass doors, wall niches, and rainfall and handheld shower heads. Polished tiles throughout, with geometric pattern tiled accents finishing the vanity wall, the shower floor, and its ceiling. A vanity with stone counter, undermount basins, and LED backlit mirrors, as well as a freestanding tub with handheld shower. Accessible via a separate entrance from the side yard, this home's self-contained legal basement apartment has its own hydrometer and its own private outdoor space, is finished with vinyl plank flooring throughout, and has pot lights brightening the open concept kitchen and recreation area. The kitchen includes a fridge and stove and has the added storage of a walk-in pantry. The recreation area can accommodate both living and dining spaces, and good-sized windows on the south wall, as well as a large interior window along the staircase, also allow for natural light. This apartment also has a carpeted staircase to the main level of the home if use of the unit is desired to be personal or familial in nature. Both its bedrooms are quite gracious in size and have double closets. It has lots of additional storage space. The laundry room is found off the second bedroom and comes with a washer and dryer, and its 4-piece washroom has ceramic finishes and a vanity with stone counter. A short walk to Lincoln Alexander Public and Pickering High Schools, the Village Arena, as well as the Duffins Creek Conservation Area and the Trans-Canada Trail System. This home is also a short walk to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities, such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centers, the Durham Centre Shopping Mall, Lakeridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO Station, as well as quick access to Highway 401, and Ajax's beautiful waterfront park with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario is also a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.